Much as Bitcoin is the best reference to begin learning about cryptocurrency, Chainlink's dominance and innovation in its chosen niche makes it the obvious starting point to learn about blockchain oracles. Chainlink's oracle technology enables the adoption of blockchain technology at a large scale, thanks to its capacity to link off-chain data onto on-chain smart contracts. Before we start, press some buttons, why don't you? Also, I'll pick the 3 best comments to send a $15 trading bonus to. If you want in on that action, comment something interesting, and don't forget to add your Phemex UID. The objective of Chainlink and oracles in general is to expand the capacity of smart contracts through a protocol that enables them to access real-world data to execute a variety of programs and applications. So let's start by revisiting how smart contracts operate. At its core, a smart contract is a programmable digital contract that features pre-specified conditions. The smart contract evaluates input information and automatically executes a command based on whether the pre-specified conditions were met. The most common example of smart contracts for somebody not familiar with them is the vending machine. So, vending machine, you put in money, smart contract says, oh, I have money, now I'll give you the snack, and if there's extra money, I'll give you change. However, despite their incredible capacity to facilitate transactions autonomously between 2 parties without the need for a mediator, smart contracts are limited in that they can only execute operations within the bounds of a blockchain. If a smart contract is to execute agreements beyond the blockchain, the off-chain data in question must be transformed into an on-chain format. This is where oracles come into play. Oracles function as the bridge between off-chain and on-chain data by translating off-chain data to a format that can be understood by smart contracts. In addition, on-chain requests from smart contracts are translated to a format that can be understood by other programs outside of the blockchain. With the help of oracles, developers gain access to a variety of data inputs previously unavailable, thus extending the applications of smart contracts beyond blockchains. As the clear leader of oracle projects, Chainlink is a good project to examine in order to gain a better understanding of oracles in general. The Chainlink network consists of nodes that provide data information from off-chain sources. These nodes are rewarded for their work with link token payments. Essentially, the Chainlink network creates an ecosystem in which oracles provide the blockchain with access to real-world data.
Welcome to the real world!
Without sacrificing the security and reliability inherently associated with blockchain technology. With this process, Chainlink hopes to make it easier for market data and software APIs, banks, retail payment systems, and off-chain technologies to connect to smart contracts on a decentralized blockchain network. So let's dig deeper into how oracles work on Chainlink. As a decentralized network, Chainlink doesn't just gather its data from one source. The entire network is made of interconnected computers, also called nodes, that run Chainlink oracles to gather data from different sources. When a smart contract on the blockchain puts out a request for information, a corresponding smart contract is created. This new smart contract is called a Chainlink Service Level Agreement, or SLA contract. The SLA contract then creates 3 subcontracts: a Chainlink order matching contract, a Chainlink aggregating contract, and a reputation contract. Together, these 3 subcontracts provide an extra layer of security and reliability for every source of information. The Chainlink reputation contract checks for the reputation, authenticity, and performance history of the node providing the data to the network. The Chainlink order matching contract delivers the request for information to Chainlink nodes and selects the nodes that will bid to fulfill the task of providing oracles. Then, once all the nodes deliver the requested data, the Chainlink aggregating contract validates and reconciles it all for accuracy. When nodes receive a request for information from the smart contract, they can translate that request into its off-chain equivalent using Chainlink Core, a software designed to translate on-chain requests to an off-chain programming language. Chainlink fuels their ecosystem with their own native token, Link. Every smart contract requesting off-chain information pays Chainlink node operators with the Link token. Since the entire operation is autonomous and decentralized, node operators get to set the price for the information requested based on current supply and demand conditions of the market. In addition to its use as payment for node operators, the Link token is also used for staking on the Chainlink network. Staking Link demonstrates the node's commitment to the network, And in this way, node operators can be taxed if they deliver poor services. On the other hand, they can increase their chance of being selected to provide data and receive more payments by staking more Link. Blockchain oracles are set to connect off-chain, on-chain, and cross-chain infrastructures, eventually becoming the benchmark for blockchain adoption and usage. In a world where data is increasingly becoming a sought-after resource, the applications of well-functioning oracles will cut across multiple industries. With Chainlink as our example, we can see strong industry support for oracles. Chainlink has attracted partnerships with prominent entities, such as the Google Chainlink partnership in 2019. This partnership intends to make it easier for developers to build technologies with access to cloud data hosted on the blockchain using Chainlink smart contracts. According to a statement from Google, adoption of blockchain protocols and technologies can be accelerated by integrating with modern internet sources and public cloud services. Apart from Google, other major players in the technology space that have partnered with Chainlink include HDAC Technology, whose founder, Dan-Sun Chung, is also the CEO of software firm Hyundai, BS&C. Other partners include Web3, a nonprofit organization involved in the development of Polkadot, Hydrogen, a fintech company developing DeFi solutions, and Kaikao, a data provider for exchanges. Chainlink is also one of the few platforms that boasts a Gartner Cool Vendor Award. As the world's leading global research advisory firm, Gartner validates vendor claims to verify the value of a product. As we can see, blockchain oracles aim to fulfill a clear and relevant need in this quickly developing space. Since Chainlink has stepped in with a functional solution, their success isn't surprising, and there still seems to be plenty of room for development and growth. Let's see what the future holds. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment something interesting with your Phemex UID for a chance to win a trading bonus. See ya.
Looking for more ways to earn? Deposit your Bitcoin on Phemex and get rewarded with up to $2,000. Follow the URL in the description of this video for more details.